NCERT exercise 2.4. Exercise 2.4, question number 1. Determine which of the following polynomials has x plus 1 a factor. In question number 1, 4 divisions. First division, question number 1, first division. X cube plus x square plus x plus 1. So in the question, determine which of the following polynomial has x plus 1 as a factor. So we take this x plus 1 as g of x, the division number 1 as a p of x. Therefore, p of x is equal to x cube plus x square plus x plus 1. Our g of x is equal to x plus 1. For finding the 0 of g of x, put g of x is equal to 0. G of x equal to 0. Therefore, x plus 1 equal to 0. X is equal to minus 1. So substitute minus 1 in p of x, that is to calculate or to find p of minus 1. So p of minus 1 is equal to minus 1 the whole cube plus minus 1 the whole square plus minus 1 plus 1. It is nothing. Replace all x by minus 1. Replace all x term by minus 1 in p of x. That is equal to minus 1. Minus 1 the whole square is plus 1. Plus into minus 1 plus 1. Plus 1, minus 1 plus 1 cancelling, here also cancelled. Therefore, the sum is 0. P of minus 1 equal to 0. P of minus 1 equal to 0 means our factor, that is g of x is equal to x plus 1 is factor of the given polynomial p of x. So p of minus 1 equal to 0. Therefore, by factor theorem, g of x is equal to x plus 1 is factor of the polynomial p of x. Factor means the remainder comes out to be 0. The remainder comes out to be 0. The polynomial g of x, x plus 1 is factor of the given polynomial p of x. Division number 1 over. So for the division number 2, start the division number 2 now. Division number 2. The question is x power 4 plus x cube plus x square plus x plus 1. So take this is as a p of x, the checking polynomial x plus 1 as g of x. Therefore write, so p of x is equal to x power 4 plus x cube plus x square plus x plus 1. G of x is equal to x plus 1. So for finding the 0 of g of x, put g of x is equal to 0. That meaning is x plus 1 equal to 0. From that line, x is equal to minus 1. Substitute x is equal to minus 1 in p of x. That is, p of minus 1 equal to minus 1 the whole power 4 plus minus 1 the whole power 3 plus minus 1 the whole power 2 plus minus 1 plus 1. This line is getting from replace all x by, here replace all x by minus 1. That is the power 4. Power is even, therefore the value is plus 1. Here power is odd, the value is minus 1. Power is even, the value is plus 1. And plus into minus, minus 1 is plus 1. Plus 1 minus 1 cancelled, plus 1 minus 1 cancelling. Therefore, p of minus 1 is equal to plus 1. P of minus 1 is equal to plus 1. Here the remainder is not equal to 0. Therefore, the given polynomial g of x is not a factor of the polynomial p of x. So division number 2 over. Now do the division number 3. So division number 3, the question is x power 4 plus 3x cube plus 3x square plus x plus 1. So take this as a p of x, that x plus 1 as a g of x. Therefore, p of x is equal to x power 4 plus 3x cube plus 3x square plus x plus 1. Our g of x is equal to x plus 1. For finding the 0 of g of x, first put g of x is equal to 0. So g of x is equal to 0. Therefore, x plus 1 equal to 0. From that line, we get x is equal to minus 1. Now, substitute minus 1 in p of x. That is, p of minus 1. Replace all x in p of x by minus 1. So, minus 1 the whole power 4 plus 3 into minus 1 the whole cube plus 3 into minus 1 the whole square plus minus 1 plus 1. Plus 1. Minus 1 power 4. 4 is even number. So we get plus 1. Minus 1 the whole cube is an odd power. Therefore 3 into minus 1 plus 3 into, this is a plus 1 and plus minus 1 plus 1. That is 1. 3 into minus 1 is a minus 3. 3 into plus 1 is plus 3. And here minus 1 and plus 1. Minus 3 plus 3 cancelling. Minus 1 plus 1 cancelled. So the result is 1 now. So p of minus 1 is equal to plus 1. Here also not equal to 0. The remainder not equal to 0 means the polynomial g of x, x plus 1 is not a factor of the polynomial p of x. Therefore, write the conclusion, g of x is not a factor. This line is coming from by the factor theorem. Is not a factor of the polynomial p of x. So division number 3 over. So now do division number 4. So division number 4 question is x cube minus x square minus 2 plus root 2x plus root 2. Write this polynomial as a p of x, this as a g of x. So our p of x is equal to x cube minus x square minus 2 plus root 2x plus root 2. Our g of x is x plus 1. G of x is x plus 1. For finding the 0 of g of x, first put g of x equal to 0. So g of x equal to 0. Therefore, x plus 1 equal to 0. X is equal to minus 1. Substitute x is equal to minus 1 in that line p of x. So replace all x by minus 1 in p of x. So replace all x by minus 1. That is equal to minus 1 the whole cube minus 1 the whole square minus 2 plus root 2 minus 1 plus root 2. That is equal to is minus 1 and minus it is a plus 1, and this minus is multiplied inside the bracket, or this minus and minus in product it is a plus. So plus 2 plus root 2 plus root 2. Minus 1 is minus 2 plus 2 plus root 2 plus root 2. Minus 2 plus 2 cancelling. The result is 2 times root 2. So we know that clearly the remainder is not equal to 0. Therefore, the remainder not equal to 0 means the g of x, x plus 1 is not a factor of a p of x. So therefore, by the factor theorem, write the conclusion as g of x is not a factor of the polynomial p of x. For division number 4 also over. Thank you.